Good morning everyone. Myself Sahil Solanki, College IT 17ME78, Batch M3, Government Engineering College Ajmer. My seminar topic is on robot welding technology, submitted to Mr. Tarun Kumar Aseri, Assistant Professor, Government Engineering College Ajmer. In this PPT, we will going to see about welding robots. So in this picture we can see the robots are using for welding the car which are on the assembly line. Introduction. Robot welding is a process of joining different materials. The large bulk of materials that are welded are metals and their alloys, although welding is also applied to the joining of other materials such as thermoplastics. Welding joins different metals or alloys with the help of number of processes in which heat is supplied either electrically or by means of a gas torch. There are two types of robot weldings. First, arc welding and second, spot welding. So, why robot arc welding? Why we use arc welding? Arc welding is performed by skilled workers who are assisted by a person called fitter. The working condition of the welder is typically unpleasant and hazardous. The arc from the welding process emits ultraviolet (UV) radiation which is injurious to human vision. Because of the hazards for human worker in continuous arc welding, it is logical to consider industrial robot for the purpose of arc welding. Then benefits of robot arc welding. Greater quality of products. We can ensure precise welding by the robots compared to humans. Improve safety and quality of work life. Robots can also work in environments which are hazardous to humans. Higher productivity. Robots can work with same speed and accuracy till the finish of the work. So this best advantage. Features of arc welding robots. Work volume and degree of freedom. Robots can work on large volume of products and have several degree of freedoms. Motion control system. In robot, there are many systems to control the motion. One of famous in them is two-handed control system which is also used to prevent falls or unwanted cycles. Precision of motion. Robots work according to our given path. Programming. We can feed different programs according to our convenience. So in this picture there is arc welding robot. There is robot wrist and gripper which is used to grip the product. Why robot spot welding? So why we use spot welding? For larger works on spot welding, the welding guns with cable attached is quite heavy and can easily exceed 100 lb in weight. To assist the operator in manipulating the gun, the apparatus is suspended from the overhead hose system. Even with the assistance, the spot welding gun repeats a heavy mass and is difficult to manipulate by a human worker at high rates of production desired on a car body assembly line. So, benefits of robot spot welding. Improved product quality. Obviously, we are using robots, so quality of product will improve. Operator safety. In robotic spot welding, there are many safety devices for the operations such as safety light screen, safety interlock switches, two-handed controls. Better control over production. Through programming, we can control the production speed and accuracy according to our convenience. Features of spot welding robots. Robot must be relatively large. It must have sufficient payload capacity to readily manipulate the welding gun for the applications. The work volume must be adequate for the size of product. The robot must be able to position and orient the welding gun in places on the product. In this diagram we can see a spot welding robot. First, one joining arm robot can be remotely controlled and located at any altitude. Second, advanced computer control with solid state IC electronics. Third, combined hydraulic electrical power unit built to machine tool quality and standards. Then there is different part like shoulder, shawl, elbow extension, yaw, pitch, roll, tool mounting plane, and body rotation. Control system. So this is block diagram representing a closed loop system explaining the use of at least one sensor and controller on the basis of the output of a plant. The plant and controller are on the forward direction and the sensor transmits it to the feedback line. The output obtained by the plant is compared with the desired value at the swimming point. The difference is sent to the controller which give out a control signal to drive the plant until desired value and the output value are equal. So there is input command, controller and actuator, robot joint plant, feedback element, then position speed. Conclusion. A substantial opportunity exists in the technology of robotics to relieve people from boring, repetitive, hazardous and unpleasant work in all forms of a human labor. Properly applied, robotics can accomplish routine, undesirable work better than humans at a lower cost. Not only will robotics improve our standard of living, it will also improve our standard of life. So, thank you.